Hello, good afternoon. Hi, Shane. Good
Good
afternoon, Shane.
afternoon, teacher.
Kapaw, good afternoon, Shane and Kapaw. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Can you say good afternoon, teacher? Good afternoon, Kapaw. Good afternoon, Ka.
Good morning.
Hello. So we have an afternoon class now. Okay, have you take your lunch already? Finish take your lunch? Huh? Have you take your lunch? What is that, Shane? What is that put in your forehead, Shane?
Fried rice.
Wow, it's so nice. And we have Nicha. Hi, Nicha. Good afternoon, Nicha. Good afternoon. Have you all take your lunch? Papa, you take your lunch already? Wow, what is that, Shane? That's so nice. And Nicha. So, are you ready for our science? We are in our science class now. Okay, I think we can start. Hi, Shing Shing Shing. Hi, Nicha, and hi, Kapow. What did you eat for your lunch? Huh? What did you eat for your lunch? Shane, what did you eat for your lunch, Shane? Huh? You eat what? Kapow, what did you eat for your lunch? Huh? You eat your lunch. What did you eat for your lunch? And Nicha, what did you eat for your lunch? You eat rice with chicken? Rice with what?
Pig.
Huh? Fish? Fish? Nicha? Huh? You have to eat healthy foods, okay? You have to choose to eat healthy foods. Okay, I think we can start now. I want you to, you have your worksheet? Okay. If you did not prepare yet your worksheet, it's still okay. But if you print this worksheet already, I sent this worksheet already in our line group. The parts of the house. Parts
Parts
of
of
the
the
house
house.
worksheet. Have you prepared this worksheet? Okay, for today, we will talk about parts of the house. Okay, this is your house. This can be your house and can be my house. This can be our house. Okay, so let us talk about the parts of the house. Are you ready? Are you ready, Shane, Kapow, and Nicha? Yeah, boom.
Boom.
Yeah, boom. You have to smile first, okay? Are you ready? Yeah, boom. Kapow. Yeah, boom. Hip, hip. Hooray. Hip, hip. Hooray. Okay, I think we are very ready now. Now let's go to this, okay? We have a lot of questions here that you need to answer. Okay, now look at this one. Okay, this one. Can you tell me what part of the house is this? You know what part of the house is this one? Look at here.
Hallway.
Hallway.
Wait.
This area is hallway. Don't forget because after this one, we have a lot of question, okay? Don't forget this area. This area is hallway.
Hallway.
Part of the house is hallway. Okay, now let's go to the next picture. We have this one. Okay, what part of the house is this? You know what part of the house is this?
living room,
Living room. This one is living room. Okay? Living room. Okay, now let's go to this one. Okay, this one. Okay, this one. What part of the house is this? What, Licha?
Dining room.
Yes, dining room. Very good. Dining room. Okay? Now let's go to the next. Yes, dining room. Very good. Now let's go to the next. What is this? What part of the house is this? Yes,
Kitchen.
very good. Kitchen. Okay. Kitchen. Yes. Okay, let's go to this. What part of the house is this? Bedroom. Very
bedroom,
good. You are very good. This one is bedroom. Okay, now let's go to this one. This one. What part of the house is this? Bathroom.
Bathroom.
Yes, very good. Bathroom. Okay, now let's go to the next picture. How about this one? You know what part of the house is this? This is a
Study room.
study room. This one is study room. Okay, study room. Okay. Yes, don't forget because we have many questions after this one. Don't forget the parts of the house, okay? Okay, how about this one? What part of the house is this?
Laundry room.
Laundry room. Laundry room. Okay, laundry room. Okay. Now let's go to the next picture. What part of the house is this? This one is
Pantry.
pantry room. Okay? Pantry room. Yes, very good. Very good. Now let's go to the next picture. How about this one? What part of the house is this? This one. Have you seen this one? This one? You know what is this? This one is a
stairs,
stairs. This one is a stairs. Okay? Stairs. Okay, very good. Now let's go to the next picture. Okay, what part of the house is this? Huh? What part of the house is this?
attic,
Attic. Okay, attic. Okay, now let's go to the next picture. What part of the house is this? This one is basement. Basement.
Basement.
Okay. Yes, basement. Okay, don't forget, okay?
Basement.
After this one. Okay. What part of the house is one?
garage,
Garage. Yes, garage. Yes, very good. Now let's go to this one. How about this one? Okay, what part of the house is this? Huh?
Backyard.
Backyard. Okay, backyard. Yes, this one is backyard. Okay, now let's go to this one. Okay, now we have a question here that you're going to answer, okay? You have to answer this one. We wash and iron our clothes in the we wash and iron our clothes in the
Laundry room.
laundry room. Understand? We have laundry. We have to wash our clothes here, and we have to iron our clothes. This one, ironing board. Okay, so we are in a. This one is a laundry room. We wash and And the laundry room. Can you read this one for me? Can you read? Try to read? Okay, try to read. All of us. Can you read for me? We will read first, okay? We wash. Okay, can you read it? We wash. We wash and iron our clothes in the laundry room. Yes. Okay, so we wash and iron our clothes in the laundry room. Now let's go to this one. I do my homework in the study room. Yes.
Study
I
room.
do my homework in the study room. Can you read this one? Let us try to read, okay? Let us try to read, okay? Let us practice. Look at this one. I do. Okay, look at here. I do my homework in the study room. Okay? Okay, very good. Let us practice reading, okay? I do my homework in the study room. Okay, look at this one. And you answered, I play with my dog in the where? Backyard.
Backyard.
Backyard, okay? Yes, very good. I play with my dog in the backyard. Okay, can you read this one? Can we try to read? Can we try to read? I play with my dog in the backyard. Backyard. Backyard, okay? Okay, you have, let us read, let us also practice reading, okay? I play with my dog in the backyard, okay? Okay, this one. I wash my hands and clean my bathroom.
Bathroom.
Yes, bathroom, very good. Okay? Okay, let us read again. I wash my hands and clean my
hand
in the
and
bathroom.
my teeth
Yes, Nisha? In the bathroom.
bathroom.
Yes, very good. Okay, you are very good now. You're very good in reading now. Now let's go to this one. I sleep. Okay, can you read this one for me?
Bedroom.
Yes. I sleep
in my
bedroom. Yes, very good. I sleep and get dressed in my
bedroom,
bedroom. Yes, you are very good. Okay, you are very good. I sleep and get dressed in my bedroom. Okay, don't forget the parts of your house. Okay, and you have to keep practice speaking English. Okay, you have to tell your mommy, I'm in my bedroom now, mommy. Okay, now, yeah, can you read this one? Okay.
The smell in the kitchen.
Yes, very
kitchen,
good. In the kitchen. My parents cook the meals in the kitchen. Wow, you are very good already. Now let's go to this one. Look at this. Can you read this one?
Cheese. Food. And apple. In the
Pantry.
Pantry, very good. You're very good. We keep, yes, we keep food and other things in the pantry. Very good. Now let's go to this one. Can you read this one for me? Come on, read.
We have dinner in the
Dining
dining room.
room.
The dining room. Very good. You are very good. Now let's go to this one. We have dinner in the dining room. Okay, very good. And then let's go to this one. Can you read this one for me?
I wash TV my
living room,
Living room. Very good. I watch TV with my family in the living room. You are very good. And now let's go to this one. Okay, can you read this one for me? Okay, come on, read. Chain, Papaw. Oh, shoes. When I arrive.
In the
Where?
Hallway.
Hallway. Okay? In the hallway. Okay. I pick out my coat and clean my shoes when I arrive home in the hallway. Okay? Oh, you are very good in reading now. Okay, keep practice, okay? Again, I pick out my coat and clean my shoes when I arrive home in the hallway. Okay? You are very good. Now let's go to this one. Let's go to this one. Okay, can you read this one? Can you read?
in the
Kiss.
Where? Papa.
garage,
Garage. Okay. Okay, my parents keep the car in the garage. Okay. Okay, Kapaw, can you read this one for me? Kapaw? My parents. Okay, Kapaw? Kapaw, can you read this one for me? My parents keep. Yes. Keep the car in the garage. Okay, very good, Kapaw. Very good. Okay, good practice. Reading. Okay, this one. This one. Can you read this one?
This room
Shane, look at her, Shane.
Is.
The cow.
The
Yes.
Basement.
Answer is
Basement.
basement. Very good.
Basement.
Answer is basement. This room is under the ground floor. Okay? This room is under the ground floor. And the answer is basement. Okay, this one now. This one. Can you read this one?
This room.
Okay. Yes.
Is under the roof of my house.
Yes. Answer is attic.
Attic.
Yes, very good. This room is under the roof of my house. The answer is attic. This one. Okay. So you know already the parts of the house. You can answer your worksheet. You know how to answer your worksheet already, right? Okay, so you need to identify all the parts, all the area of your house, okay? Yes, you have to identify. If your parents will ask you, Shane, where are you now, Shane? You can answer your mommy. Mommy, I'm my bedroom. I'm at the kitchen. Okay, I'm at the living room now, watching TV. Okay, you can answer your mommy or daddy when they will ask you, where are you now? What are you doing? Mommy, I will go to the toilet. Okay, I will go brush my teeth. Just like that. Okay, you keep practice speaking English. Okay, you have to identify the area, the parts of your house. Okay, so I hope you can now answer your worksheet. Worksheet. So if you cannot print worksheet K2, tomorrow all of us, we teachers first will go on site already. We will be on site already. We'll go on site, and if you cannot print, I think you can go pick up your worksheet in school. But the school will give you an instruction when, okay? You have to wait first the instruction of the school. But I already give you the worksheet, so you just have to print it if you can. If you cannot print it, you can go to school and pick up your worksheet. So, okay, K2? I want to say thank you to all of you. Thank you, Ka. This is all for today. I think you can answer your worksheet already. You are very good, Shane, Nicha, and Kapao. You are very good. I am so happy. You know now how to read. So I am so proud of you. You are very smart. Okay? Okay, so this is all for today, and I'll see you again tomorrow, okay? Study hard and answer your worksheet. Okay, Shane already is answering her worksheet. She print already. Have you print, Nicha, your worksheet? Nicha, have you print your worksheet? No? You print your worksheet already? You print your worksheet. No, not that one. That is for tomorrow. That the parts of the house. Okay? The part of the house. Have you printed now your worksheet? The other one, Nicha, the parts of the house. Kapao, have you print your worksheet, Kapao? Yes, that one, Nicha. Okay, very good. Kapao, have you print your worksheet? Kapao? Yes, that one for tomorrow, Ka. That one for tomorrow. Okay. Kapao, have you print your worksheet? Yes, that one, Nicha. Very good. Kapao, have you print your worksheet, Kapao? You have your worksheet? Kapao? You did not print yet, Kapow? Okay, so I'll see you again tomorrow, Kito, okay? So I want to say thank you to all of you. Bye. Our time is already up. Okay, bye for now. Thank you.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you so much.